Good morning, folks. This is Woody from WD Homesteading. Dee, now what are you getting into now?
'Tis the season to bake cookies. So
Wow,
I
what an arrangement.
mix all my cookies up on one day and I'll start to bake them the next until Christmas.
And what batch you mixing up now?
I am mixing up raisin oatmeal cookies.
Wait a minute, that's not my favorite cookie.
It is mine.
Oh boy, she'll make mine later. Mine's peanut butter and also her refrigerator cookies, which we'll show
Yes.
you later, but they are just delicious with your hot cup of tea or coffee if you like it. We can't have coffee, but we like our different flavored teas. And here's all the cookie recipes she's gonna be making. All right, Dee, now what are you making?
Macadamian cookies.
Oh, yeah.
They have macadamians and vanilla chips in them.
Cool. Okay, what's this one now?
Chocolate chip.
Oh my goodness, it's a favorite with all the kids and grandkids. I can't wait to get to my favorite. Hey folks, I do not have to ask my wife what kind this is, because this is my favorite. Blueberry. Peanut butter cookies.
Yep.
And they are my favorite. I try not to eat too many because when they come out of that oven, they are so good.
We call them big fat sugar cookies. They're like a sugar cake, and that's what they look like.
And they're delicious. Hey Dee, what kind of cookies are next?
Andes cookies. They're like chocolate chips, but I use the Andes chips in them.
And so you roll them up in balls and then you take the spatula and smash them, huh?
Well, I take a jar and smash
Oh, a
them.
jar. Looky there, guys. Now, I don't care for the chocolate, the Andes, but they are good, and the kids really love them. Okay, last but not least, Dee.
The refrigerator cookies. These are a big favorite. I don't know why, but they're easy cookie to make, and
They're good with a hot beverage, aren't they?
yeah, or a glass of milk. They're really good. These were always a big hit around here.
So I know we showed you the molasses cookie recipe. This year we just don't have enough time to do another batch of molasses cookies. So we have a lot of prep work before I get together for Christmas Eve. Okay, the fun has begun. These are our refrigerator cookies. This is what we will put in bags for our kids and grandkids. And this is what we get to eat out of. So this is the first batch. And that's the second. I don't know what that is, but I'll tell you later. Okay, folks, this is my favorite cookie. Peanut butter cookies. And here they are. I rolled all of them. I'm guessing probably about 80 to 100 of them that I rolled. Okay, the next batch is macadamia. And we'll show you the first batch when it comes out of the oven. Okay, this is what the macadamias look like. Don't they look delicious? What's next?
Chocolate chip. And you don't have to roll them in balls, but I do because it makes a nice round cookie when they're done.
There you go.
And they're done.
Okay, we roll them, then we flatten them, and that's what they look like. And these are most of our children and grandchildren's favorite cookies. Okay. Unfortunately, here's my least favorite cookie, but everybody but me likes them. Oatmeal raisin cookies. Batch number 6. Look at there. And then she flattens them out on the cookie sheet. We'll roll them all up here and get them done. Hey, last but not least, our big fat sugar cookies. Look at that. Okay, there's the last of our cookies, the big fat sugar cookies, which are great. With milk or ice cream, it's just a good snack. And our kids and grandkids are going to love our 7 batches of cookies. Good day, folks.